out, and my cat got stuck in the cat pan. You see, the moment you do multiple lying, even if it were all true, immediately looks like you're lying. Just go one lie, stick to that, even if it's implausible, you just stay with that. You go, I was waiting for the gas leak, I was waiting for the gas man, that's it. And you'll never guess what.
And if there's one thing that's guaranteed to make you throw a sickie, if not before, then definitely after, it's that annual institution, the office party.
Office parties are slightly difficult.